Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Here YouTube family, the Maverick again. Best and most credible opinion. Fear and fearless analysis. Call into action again. Watch this now. Me get a plethora of phone call over the past about 2-3 days. All of my shower labor right friend them reach out to me. Almost every shower labor right friend me know call my phone over the past 2 days. See? The first man will call me. Him said to me, say, Maverick, how we not hear you say nothing yet about the hush money scandal in the PNP? So me say, Papa Jesus, I want Mark Golding to know. Mark Golding never Stormy Daniels and it bust out and him pay money for hush. That's the first thing that come to my mind when I hear, you know. So subsequent to them plethora of phone call, you know, I go do my research and get all of the information. Me read a newspaper article, me hear a live interview with one of the prominent parties, a man named Lawrence Rowe. Alright, so in a synopsis we're going is that the seat down at Central Kingston in the upcoming general election, apparently PNP did have a man down there named Lawrence Rowe, where they do a whole heap of legwork in the constituency from Wapikil Philip. Him same down there from Cummins and the MP down there. He's a young man, but he look like him in the trenches and he work on the ground for the party in the Central Kingston constituency. So it look like time did come of age and him feel say me don't get the constituency, you know, get for contest the seat in the upcoming general election. But for one reason or another, the PNP put him through the process of vetting and then decide ultimately. Well, initially, the committee where them put together, what them call it a integrity committee, they rejected his candidacy for whatever reason. But me understand, so the party leader overruled him and said, make him go and do him work, and we see if we can give him a chance for running at the election. But at the 9th hour now, apparently, between the party leader and the rest of people who are them prerogative to make the decision, them decide say, Mr. Lawrence Rowe now going to be the man for run at the general election. It will be prominent former police officer Steve McGregor. Now, Mr. Rowe now, him come out now and put out a chronicler events now, including some accusations against the PNP hierarchy. Say them promise him Senate position, they promise him some board appointments, and also $15 million if him just walk away from contesting the seat quietly and don't cause no alabalu. The first thing me ask, you know, when me hear this story, you know, you see the $15 million, it perk up my ears. So the first thing me ask, a taxpayer money PNP take that money? And me understand say, no, it's PNP private money. So from me here to that $15 million there, a PNP private money now, you know. My antenna them go down. Because me response to taxpayer money. In terms of my concern and when me express my, you know, when me vent out, is when me hear say public officials are waste taxpayer money, or a thief taxpayer money, or public officials are use them position as servants of the people to enrich themselves and enrich them friend them, and them there's something that perk up my ears. So when me hear this now, me I say this is not but some internal PNP politics. Where is the big scandal in this? Eh? Me see the JLP put out a long statement say, this is proof that the PNP is corrupt and they don't know good governance and one bag. This is a sign of desperation, people. Desperation. Where is the equivalence between this and the illicit six? You think the Integrity Commission want piece of this thing with the PNP? Is that what this, my boss? Me disappointed, me vex. Because when me say hush money scandal out of road, I say, Papa Jesus, and what is me get now? When me go around and go look on this, no foolishness this man. Eh? My friend them, my labor right friend them, no want me play political tit for tat. But the hell you see it now, Maverick? You see what going on in the PNP? What going on in the PNP? It is the prerogative of the PNP to decide who them want to run in a which constituency in the general election. I put it further. It is the prerogative of the PNP leader or the JLP leader for that matter to decide which candidate they want to run in a which constituency. Why is the PNP making an internal decision? I spend PNP money internally. How is that equivalent to illicit enrichment? No, the Maverick don't understand, no man. You don't do better than that, no man. If you don't give me a scandal, you don't give me a scandal. This is not a scandal. Where is the scandal there? Where is the corruption in that process here? This is nothing more than PNP internal politics. I've noticed the Maverick not talk about internal politics, you know. External politics will involve taxpayer money. Because me pay a whole heap of tax in this. My mother, my papa, my sister, my brother, all of them pay a whole heap of income tax in this. So it's when it come to taxpayer money, I dare some in an argument with people. Me no business with PNP and them internal money. Me business with labor right and them internal money. Me no responsible to do with the money in the party. And who no pick for run over this so. And who no pick for run over this so. Eh? It is a judgment call and the prerogative of whatever party, the PNP or the JLP. In this case, it's the prerogative of the party. The processes where the party set up. It is also the prerogative, I assume, of the leader of the party to overrule the processes where he set up if him see it fit for do. I don't understand people, man. You know do better than that, man. The amount of my labor right friend them call me and say, Maverick, see they know the opposition party in a hot water now. Corruption now and where corruption there? Where corruption there? Somebody explain the corruption to me. Tell me if me need too excited when me hear about it. So the disappointment that cloud my vision. Because a hush money me hear about, you know. And from me hear about hush money a sex scandal, me start thinking about, you know. So tell me if, because me need just anticipate something much more juicy. If me now see the immorality. Where is the immorality in our happen? Eh? Where is the moral breach of trust? We're going in another process here. No PNP decides them don't want a man to run and them want the next man to run. And if they want to give the man 50. So this man in the constituency have done legwork for donkey years now. So but the PNP see it fit to say, you know, say, that man do whole good work in the constituency. You know, we don't want him run. For whatever reason, we don't have business with that. See? But them don't want him run. And them decide, but him spend a whole money in the constituency, we're going to give him back some money. By the way, the PNP deny say, them promises them when they make to the man, make to the man. But me just assume say them are true. Make me assume say all of them promises they make. What is wrong with a party in the opposition looking to get into government, promising one of them own, if you're going to make you a senator, and we're going to put up on the board, the other board. Where is the moral breach in that? I don't understand. I saw me green shirt people, them desperate, man. Come on, green shirt army, man. Do better than that, man. Me don't see no controversy in this. But guess what? Guess what me get to find out subsequently now? The whole thing emanates from around our particular radio station where me don't know if I style it. Me not gonna style them, see, because I'm a colleague them in the media. But everybody know where the radio station is as it relates to their relationship with the government. Everybody know it. So me don't know people. Me disappointed. Me just want to ask, where is the corruption? Where is the corruption? Eh? Where is the scandal? Somebody tell me where the scandal. Me go and walk and see me find the scandal. Oh, see scandal in my hand. And after the scandal, see the scandal. See the scandal in my hand, me find the scandal. And the scandal not the Maverick. And see the Maverick walk with the scandal in my hand. Me find the scandal, man.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me, listen? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem. No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.